What's going on, guys? It's Andrew with AvalonKing. Today, I'm going to show you some things you didn't know you could ceramic coat, and we're going to start right here in the garage. So a lot of people don't know this. You can actually ceramic coat more than just the paint of your car. We're going to start right here at the front end of the car with the headlights, the grille, the badges, and even the splitter.
Coating your headlights is very straightforward. After giving them a nice wipe down with some IPA or isopropyl alcohol, simply coat them as you would your paint. Most headlight housings nowadays are plastic, so they can be buffed before you coat them. Badges can sometimes fade, like you can see here. Ceramic coating them will keep them protected and looking newer longer. This splitter really benefited from a coat of Armor Shield 9. Not only is it now hydrophobic, but the deep matte sheen is very deep and matte and sheeny.
Next, we're going to show you how to coat the glass, the trim, and yeah, even your mirrors.
Coating your glass is awesome. Like, seriously, awesome. Thank me later. Of course, before you apply anything to your glass, make sure it's perfectly clean. Again, you can clay it, you can wipe it down with IPA, but when you're applying it, it's the same general concept. Are you catching a pattern here? It's pretty freaking easy to do this, bro. It's so easy. Sorry. So if there's a haze, you can buff that off with a damp rag and you're good to go. You can also apply it to the trim to achieve the same effect we got with the front splitter.
Okay, now that we've covered some secrets and little known facts about coating your car, let's teleport to my house, and I'll show you some things you can use around the home you can ceramic coat. Here we go. Hey, welcome to my house. This is totally my house and not my parents' house in a retirement community. Anyway, let's go over some cool things you can do with ceramic coating at home.
First, we'll start in the shower. No, I mean for the video. Not that kind of video. Here's a side-by-side comparison of an uncoated tile and a coated tile. Your shower would stay so clean. Next, we move to the kitchen to coat the stainless steel appliances. You really want to have these nice and clean before you coat them, and how you do that is by using white distilled vinegar. Make sure you're wiping with the grain of the steel both when you're cleaning and when you're applying, and the holy freaking crap, does this dishwasher look amazing. Now we're back in the bathroom to coat the toilet seat. This is probably my best idea ever. Let me show you. I also coated my watch face. In fact, I loved how it turned out so much, I'm probably going to do the rest of the watch. And lastly, I coated my phone. This was a great idea. The fingerprint reader works, the screen works, everything's great. It could ceramic coat your life.
Well, if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see ceramic coated next, or if you have any questions, please let us know down in the comment section below. But until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. You know how to do the YouTube thing. And for some reason, I'm from New York all of a sudden. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.